hard to achieve them, and one day you will be successful as others. Good morning, dear children. So today one new topic, advanced features of MS Access, sorting and filter, already covered. Okay, so today how to make a query. Okay, so what is query? Queries are statements that help to easily retrieve, update and delete data from the database. Actually, the query is for searching records. Okay, suppose you want to see any record, then you can search that record. If you want to update any record, then search that record and then do update. If you want to delete record, then search that record and then delete it. So means query is basically for searching a record. Okay, and after that you can for easily retrieve, update and delete data from the database. A query can be designed to answer a simple question, perform calculations, combine data from different tables, or add, change or delete data from a database. Okay, so queries are broadly categorized into two types based on the task they perform. They are one select query, another one is an action query. Okay, what is select query? Select query is when we'll retrieve the data. When we'll retrieve the data from a table, then it is select query. To make calculation on a table data, that is select query. Action to add, delete or change table data is known as your action query. Okay. So now let us see how can you make a query. Then you can do this all these operations on that query. Okay. So let us first today do how to do the query. So I have already made a table, you see. Okay, so and these are the data present on the table. So one table where one library table it is. So title is there, author is there, author's date of birth is there, publication year is there, availability status is there. How to make the table and how to enter the data in the database, that already you know. So already that's why I have already made it. Okay, so some data, some book names are there: Catching Fire, Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, Percy Jackson, Sea of Monsters, the Book of Thief, the Hunger Games, what is Mockingjay Part 1. So these are some data is present. Okay, so this data is given in your book. If you want, you can see in the lab session. Page number 59, this table is given. Since it was given in your book, so then I thought of taking this table. Okay, so in this table you can see 5 questions are given. First question, sort the table records in ascending order of the year of publication. Okay, basically we'll do query, but before that sorting and filter given just for your exercise I am doing. So in the publication year in ascending order. Okay, how to? Previous class I have told you, you select this. Okay, then click on this button. So now it is ascending order, the books are sorted. Second question is, create a filter to display the books authorized by Susan Collins. Okay, so for that what you will do? We will go for filter. Okay, so field name you will give it is author. Okay, condition equal to Susan Collins. Okay, so you can type here SUZA. Spelling should be correct, and along with its uppercase, lowercase, whatever you have applied. Okay, click on OK. So see, only Susan Collins shown. So this is filter and previous one sorting. Okay, so now so this is your normal table. So now how to make a query? Create a query to display the records of borrowed books. Records of borrowed books. So here see, some books are borrowed and some books are available. So how to do this? Okay, so for that let us go here. So first this table, where when you will make the table, this window will come. Okay, see, this library table is there. Okay, so now close it and you go click on this queries. Okay, then click query, create query in design view. I am using LibreOffice. If you have, you can use LibreOffice. If you have MS Access, you use. Okay, no problem. Click on this add. So the table will be added, then close this window. After that, this window is known as your query window. Okay, in query window, see, this table will search the record or will query. Okay, so field, which fields, in this field, whichever field you will select, then that field will be displayed. Suppose in this column, first title I want to display, then it will be show you author, then it will show you date of birth. It depends upon you how many fields you want to see. If you want to see all the fields of the table, or you want to see only the few required fields, that depends on you. Okay, so accordingly you will choice. Then from where the data will come, this data will come from this library table only. Okay, so then comes your criteria. Criteria means condition on which the data will be searched. Okay, so here one condition given, create a query to display the records of borrowed books. Okay, so the record of only the record of borrowed books you want to see. Okay, so for this borrowed books means status. So you go to criteria column, and in this availability status you write here borrowed. The spelling must be same as in the table. Okay, so it is a character type of data, so as you will click outside, it will be in the quote. Okay, and if it will be numeric data, then you can use the symbols equal to, less than, greater than, whatever. Okay, then run query. This F5 you can use, or click on the run query button. You see now, only it shows those books whose availability status is borrowed. Okay, because I have given the condition here, the availability status will be borrowed. From here, suppose you have now searched, these are the books whose availability status is borrowed. Now you can delete the record, you can update it. Okay, whatever you want to do, you can do it here. Okay, next question given, create a query to display the records of all the books written by J.K. Rowling. Okay, books written by J.K. Rowling. So for that, you do one thing. You remove this one. J.K. Rowling is a author. Okay, so you in the criteria column, you come to the author column, and here you write J.K. Okay, click outside, it is also character, so it is in the double quote. Now click on the run query. You see, these two books are written by J.K. Rowling. So it has shown the result. So this next one is a report. Okay. So now this way you can search any record. If you want to see the publication year also. Suppose the publication year is 2000. So you can go to the criteria column and write here publication year. Okay. Publication year. Sorry, criteria row. Then here you write 2000. So in this, if you run the query, it will show you the book which are published in the year 2000. So only one book. Okay, this way you can search any record, means can make query on different conditions. Okay, two conditions also you can give at a time. Just like suppose you want that publication year will be 2000 and availability status suppose borrowed. So you go to the or one, and here you write borrowed. Means two conditions will be satisfied. Publication year will be 2000, or the availability status will be borrowed. So this way you run the query. So 2000 and the availability status will be borrowed. So it is or given. So either one will satisfy, it will show the record. Okay. So this way you see publication year where 2000, but the status is available, then also it is so, because one condition it is satisfying, that publication year is 2000. Okay. So these were two conditions also you can give. If you want that both the condition will satisfy at a time, means year will be 2000 and the status will be borrowed, then you write in the same line. You write the condition in the same line because it will be satisfied at a time. If you want either one, then in the next line means or this here or this all are you see or means either one. And if you will write, then you will write in the same line. Okay, so click on the run query. There is no book like this. Okay, but if will I make it now available, publication year will be 2000 and available status will be available, and then click on this run query button, you will find one book is there. Okay, so two conditions you can combine together also to search any record or to make a query. Okay, so this way you can make query. Hope all of you understand. I don't want to make a long video for you. Okay, so next class report is left, we will do the report. A book, this table is given in your book, and questions, 5 questions given, 4 questions you can do. Last question is based on report. So next class will do. Okay. See, another table is also there. Previous class which table we have done, that table, and that table also you can practice query. Okay, you can practice some query. Okay, hope all of you understand. Thank you all. Have a nice day.